Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lamborghini Huracan in Pixel Car Racer. First, you'll need to accumulate a significant amount of in-game cash. The best way to do this is by consistently winning races and participating in events. Aim to save at least $1,500,000, as this car is a premium vehicle. Building your bankroll is the crucial first step before you can even think about buying this dream car. Once you have enough money, head to the game's main menu. From there, you'll want to select the dealership option. This is where all the available cars are listed for purchase. Take your time to scroll through the different manufacturers until you find the one that offers the Lamborghini Huracan. It's usually found under the European or exotic car sections. After entering the dealership, search specifically for the Lamborghini Huracan. It might take a moment to find it among the many other vehicles. Double-check the price to ensure you have sufficient funds. It usually costs around $1,500,000. Once you've confirmed everything, simply select the car and proceed with the purchase. Congratulations! You're now the proud owner of a virtual Huracan. With your new Huracan in your garage, the real fun begins. Head over to your garage to select it. You can then customize its paint, wheels, and add various performance upgrades to make it even faster. Experiment with different setups to find what works best for your racing style. Now, take your stunning Lamborghini Huracan to the track and dominate the competition.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.